मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं।
No more BJP party in the ruling. In today's India, many citizens are frustrated with the politics. They see one party after another making emotional promises, but when it comes to national security, geopolitical strength, and taking decisions, only one party in the last decade has actually stood up and acted. That party is the BJP. Look at what happened in the last decade. Pakistan based terrorism, cross border attacks, and constant pressure on India's border have not stopped, but the BJP led government took the real action. Surgical strikes across the line of control, airstrike after Pulwama, and a firm no compromise stance on the Kashmir and terrorism. Other parties talk big in speeches, but when they were in power, they often hesitated, compromised, or followed soft policy approaches that many feel only encourage more attacks. Today, if any party wants to be seen as pro national security, it must match the BJP's record, not just repeat slogans. On the global stage, India is no longer a timid player. Under the BJP lead government, India has stood up to China, pushed back on unfair trade practices, built strong ties with the US, France, Japan, and other democracies, and refuses to bow to pressure from any countries. Compare this to the habit of many opposition's leaders. They often run to foreign courts, foreign media, or foreign politicians to complain about India. Some even invites foreign ambassador to intervene in India's internal matter. That kind of politics may score cheap points on TV, but it doesn't defend India's sovereignty. In a dangerous world, we need a leadership that has the guts to say India's first and then actually behave that way in a geopolitics. Then there is a question of ideology. The BJP is not a flawless party. It has made a mistake and has a critics on every side. But it is the only major national party that openly stands for Hindu majority India, national integration, and a strong border without secretly playing vote bank politics that weaken the country. Congress is tied to the history of soft or a Pakistan elite appeasement, weak security decisions. Many still remember the 2611 era when then ruling Congress was seen as a slow to respond, too eager to please foreign powers. So, in a simple choice, if you want a party that is not the least anti-national, that has guts in geopolitics, and that will not sell India for votes, then right now, the only serious option is, you know the answer. Thanks for watching this.